Alright, the day is Friday, October 13th, and we just made it to the airport.
Yes.
Myrna has no idea where we're going.
No idea.
This is her birthday trip. I already gave her a few hints. We're going somewhere that's going to be on the United States side, but also on the British side.
Okay.
It's not a Spanish-speaking country.
Or French.
It's not a French-speaking country. It's not Haiti. You guessed that. It wasn't wrong. That was wrong.
Okay, there's our gate. Should I look?
There's our gate.
Should I look?
Okay, go ahead. St. Thomas. So St. Thomas is in the U.S. Virgin Islands, and then we're gonna do a day trip to the U.S. Not the U.S., but the British Islands. Did you?
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
To the most beautiful island in the world, the Virgin Islands. Yeah, man. Mind check, my love. Una duas. How are the VI massive then?
Vlog.
We're walking. Oh, you know me. I love this. What's up, vlog? It's day 2 of us being in St. Thomas, USVI, U.S. Virgin Islands. And it's so pretty here. Beautiful. And there goes Peter.
Follow me this way.
So we just got some brekkie. I had a really good croissant. And we are walking over to get a taxi to go ziplining. I'm so excited. Also, this is very nerve-wracking to do this when people are watching. I could never be an actual vlogger because I just got nervous that people were watching me do this.
You are an actual vlogger.
Am I?
Yeah, look at that.
I mean, it is my dream. But yeah, so far, first impressions, St. Thomas is beautiful. The people here are so nice, so cool. And I'm jealous of the way they talk because it sounds so cool. And we're gonna go zip lining, and that was it. I said that already, so.
All right.
Welcome to the most beautiful island in the world, the Virgin Islands. Yeah, man. Mind check, my love. Una duas. How are the VI massive them? If you find the put your hands in my pride. Represent your home. If you from the VI, where you there, put your flags in my pride. VI to the world. The party don't stop until we reach.
Nice.
No, we don't bring no sun to the beach. All we need to hear is a beat. So we go tongue, 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 go tongue, tongue. So we go tongue, tongue, go tongue.
High five!
Yay!
Yes!
Go.
Look how pretty you look. Birthday girl.
Oh,
Give him a spin. Let's see. What you got?
Is it giving zip lining?
It's giving.
In the streets, why? That's everywhere where we go. The party just turn up. Party.
Remember that one time we took that really skinny, dangerous road down? Right by the cars? You're doing great.
Make sure there's no cars coming.
Okay, there's no cars coming. Let me have them.
Okay, I've calmed down. It's fine. Everything's okay.
We're surviving
Yep,
the long, narrow
we
road.
sure are. Everything's fine. Very peaceful, actually.
Yep.
And
Car coming.
there's a car coming. Crap.
Take to my right.
Okay. I'm gonna go down here. Okay. Easy.
Watch out from the poison ivy.
Easy peasy.
Oop, 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 oop.
That's everywhere where we go. The party just turn up. Party from night till the sun up. We just drink, we rum. Find a woman, then walk up on the girl and stuff. That's everywhere where we go. The party must nice. We don't hot up the airport price. We just spend the money, come out to party and live we life. If you from the VI, where you there, put your
Hey there, pretty thing. How we doing?
Good.
How's the birthday weekend?
Amazing.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Look at the view.
Yeah, the view's nice.
If you represent this in John, let me see you just put up your hands, let me see you. If you represent this in Koi, let me see you just put up your hands, let me see you. If you represent this in Thomas, I wanna
I got it.
Did you miss me?
And we're back in Margaritaville.
Beautiful day. Megan's Bay, Megan's Beach. Beautiful, beautiful work of art by G.O.D. himself. Like, he popped off with that one. He really did. Isn't that right?
That's right.
We're going back up to the room. I feel like this gives me like bucket head, but if I hold it up like this,
Whatever
it's
makes you
giving
happy.
a jawline. So yeah. Yep, so now we're headed back to our room. We're gonna go grab the drone and see if we can get some drone shots.
Hopefully we don't get
play-
abducted or arrested.
Play B-roll of drone shots after this. Okay, vlog. We took a boat this morning to the British Virgin Islands. We are at Virgin Gorda. I don't know why
Something like
I
that.
can't remember to say this name right. But we are at Devil's Bay right now, and look at the water and these views.
Oh, na, 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 girl. Yeah, 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 we know. Hey. No long talk when we come to wine. When we come to wine, girl. No long talk when we come to wine. When we come to wine, girl, take it over, you know. When you whine, all heads turn when your waistline bump look over, you know. Cause you look so good. The dance turn over, you know. I don't mind you whining for yourself. Bring it over, you know. Cause you whine so rude. And I say no long talking. When we whine, when we whine, when we whine. Only slow dancing. Bring it back one time. Baby say no long talking. When we whine, when we whine, when we whine. Don't stop, girl, you just my type. Like how you roll double time. Sing, girl, you got the wine. Don't waste my time. Hey, girl, I'm tired of the lip service. You got the wine. Don't waste my time. Hey, girl, I'm tired of the lip service. You got the wine. Don't waste my time. I'm tired of the lip.
Want me to flip it?
Yeah.
Ow.
Other way.
Oh, sorry.
Why nobody girl move those hips? When you whine, see my heart stop skip. So me say, come closer to me, closer to me. Skin raised when I touch your body. Come closer to me, closer to me. DJ play, girl, whine your body. Come closer to me, closer to me. Yeah. Skin raised when I touch your body. Come closer to me, closer to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, I'm sober, you know.
All right. What would you like to say before you go jump in there?
Prayers.
Prayer sense.
Prayers. Oh, I need a float.
You want me to push you off like I always do?
No.
Absolutely.
We're gonna get a float.
You mean a banana?
A banana.
Can you pass me a banana?
Yeah, here. You guys
So
want?
me sing, come closer to me, closer to me. Skin raised when I touch your body. Come closer to me, closer to me. DJ play, girl, whine your body. Come closer to me, closer to me. Skin raised when I touch your body. Come closer to me, closer to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No long talk when we come to wine. When we come to wine.